Marriage. The road to this journey is not an easy one. The quest for acceptance, the need for approval, the desire for admiration, and the need for affirmation spells the search of love. In the beginning, God created Adam, and he saw it not fit for Adam to be alone. So God created Eve as a helpmeet for Adam, and there the first marriage ever took place in the Garden of Eden. Marriage is special. It is a gift from God. It is the joining of two individuals in the Spirit, sanctioned by God Himself. Marriage can be lovely. It can be fulfilling, as it is in this union or search for acceptance, approval, admiration, affirmation, or quest for love have ended. Or so it should be. The devil is our biggest enemy and hates anything that is ordained and is of God. The result of this: confusion, contention, malice, strife, misunderstanding, the use of harsh words, anger, bitterness, unforgiveness, and the list goes on, which could sometimes lead us back to the point where we first began. Back to the need for the 4 A's: acceptance, approval, admiration, and affirmation. If these voids are never filled, it may lead to a host of problems, and that is what the devil wants. If these gaps are never dealt with, we may never experience the true sense of marriage, hence the need to put God first. If God is placed at the head of our lives and at the head of our marriage, the principle of love will be able to work for us. If we learn how to truly honor God, the 4 A's will be a part of our daily living, and it is then, and only then, we will be able to experience a happy and a successful marriage, the marriage God truly wants for us.